In this video, I will show you how to streamline your presentation workflow by using Claude to generate structured PowerPoint outlines in seconds. Starting with a blank slide is often the hardest part of any project, but artificial intelligence makes the brainstorming and structuring phase incredibly simple. To begin, you will want to open Claude and start a new chat. Your goal is to get the AI to output information in a way that PowerPoint can easily interpret. The best way to do this is by asking Claude to create an outline using markdown headers. Use the pound sign for your slide titles and simple dashes for your bullet points. A great prompt to try is asking for a 5-slide presentation outline for a product launch while specifying the markdown formatting. Claude will then provide a clean list of headers and key talking points. Once the text is generated, simply copy it and paste it into a basic text editor like Notepad on Windows or TextEdit on Mac. Save this file as a plain text document. Now, open Microsoft PowerPoint and go to the Home tab. Look for the New Slide button and click the small arrow next to it to see more options. Select the option that says Slides from Outline and navigate to the text file you just saved. PowerPoint will instantly import the text, turning every markdown header into its own slide title and every bullet point into the slide body. This trick saves you from copying and pasting individual lines back and forth. Thank you for watching this guide, and I hope this helps you build your next